Are you planning a safari to Tadoba Tiger Reserve? If so, watch this video till end to make sure that your safari experience is enjoyable. There are 5 tips to keep in mind. Number 1. Which time of the year you want to visit? With my 20 plus years of experience, I can say with full conviction that Tadoba is a year-round destination. But having said that, if your target is to see tiger, then you must visit between first week of Feb to the last week of May or maybe till second week of June. This is summer time and there is a scarcity of water. Tigers are fond of water and usually you will sight them near the water body. If you are keen to know what can be expected throughout the year in Tadoba, then please watch this video. Number 2. What is your budget? Almost all type of accommodations starting from 5-star to an average homestay is available. As far as safari is concerned, there you do not have a choice. Throughout the year, the safari charges remains almost same. Safari charges in core zone are slightly more than the buffer, but that difference is negligible if you book within 60 days of your safari. Then number 3 point is which safari zone is to be chosen. Generally it is presumed that core zone will have more amount of animals and the tiger sighting is better there. But it is not a rule. Tiger does not know which is buffer zone and which is core zone. Sometimes even the buffer zones are better than the core zone. As a rule of thumb, wherever there are cubs, the chances of sighting the tiger are more. Take advice of a routine visitor or a photographer because they know what is happening inside the park and which zone at which time is favorite for tiger sighting. Number 4 point is what should be the length of your safari? How much time you should spend in Tadoba? Now this particular thing actually depends on your preference, but ideally you must spend at least 3 nights, 4 days and take minimum of 5 safaris. This will ensure that you have a best chance to sight a tiger. And number 5 point is what is the purpose of your safari? Decide whether you are a tourist or you are a photographer. If you are a tourist, then you can go 6 people in one gypsy. This will also reduce your per capita expenditure. But if you are a photographer, then you must be at the most 4, better 2 or 3 in one gypsy. This will help you to move around and carry your heavy lenses. I hope these 5 points will help you in deciding your safari and make your safari experience enjoyable. Thank you and keep exploring.